Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Miniconda on Windows. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To uninstall Miniconda from your Windows system, start by clicking on the Windows Start menu. Type Control Panel into the search bar and press Enter. In the Control Panel, locate and click on Programs. Next, select Programs and Features to open the list of installed applications. Scroll through the list to find Miniconda or Anaconda. Once you find it, click on it to highlight the application. At the top of the window, you will see an option that says Uninstall. Click on that button. A confirmation dialog may appear asking if you are sure you want to uninstall. Click Yes or OK to proceed. The uninstallation process will begin. This may take a few moments, so be patient. Once the process is complete, you may receive a notification confirming that Miniconda has been uninstalled successfully. To ensure all files have been removed, open File Explorer. Navigate to the directory where Miniconda was installed, typically located in your user folder. If you see a folder named Miniconda 3 or similar, right-click on it and select Delete. Next, it is advisable to check your right-click on this PC or my computer and select Properties. Click on Advanced System Settings on the left side. In the System Properties window, click on the Environment Variables button. Check both the User Variables and System Variables sections for any entries related to Miniconda or Anaconda. If you find any, select them and click Delete. Finally, restart your computer to ensure all changes take effect. This concludes the uninstallation process for Miniconda on Windows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.